Bed deflated.
Airbed deflated.
No, it's your fault. Not putting enough air.
Mum, tell her. Auntie Henry, tell her. She's filming.
It's cold, so.
Usually is Harmony.
Yes, please.
That's the best you looked all day.
Oh, Winnie, absolutely.
Is it really good? Oh, Lord.
Oh, God, Winnie.
Oh.
Oh, Winnie.
Hello, Winnie. Dad likes it.
He does like it. It's very nice. Anna Maria. 50 today. Quiche. What are they called? What are these things called? What are these? Sausage rolls. Cake.
I'm wrong. Blue roses.
Blue roses. No, that's a trifle.
Winnie's cake.
Oh gosh, it's exploded in the fridge. There we go. Who's that for?
Banana cake.
Who's that for?
Carolyn.
That's right.
Mother's
the floor.
trifle. Strawberry.